Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Professor Jagdish Prasad Sharma, I am GNC. Today we are going to discuss regarding the disposal of waste. How we are dispose unwanted things. What is the definition of the disposal of waste? Proper disposition of a discarded or discharged material in accordance with local environmental guideline or laws according to the Business Dictionary. The waste management is the collection, transport, processing, recycling or disposal and monitoring of waste materials. What is the waste? Waste, it is defined as, also known as rubbish, trash, reuse, refuse, garbage, junk is any unwanted or useless materials. And another definition is the what is the waste? It is any material unused by and rejected as worthless or unwanted. A useless or profile-less activity using or expending or consuming thoughtlessly. That is the waste. Now we are going to discuss type of wastage. Solid waste, liquid waste, gaseous waste, animal byproduct, biodegradable waste, chemical waste, commercial waste and business waste, biomedical waste or bulky waste. These are the type of the waste. First one, it is the solid waste. Solid waste, it is the defined as non-liquid, non-soluble materials ranging from municipal garbage to industrial wastage that contain complex and sometimes hazardous substance. Solid waste also including garbage, rubbish, demolition product, sewage treatment residue, dead animals, manure and other discarded materials. Manure and other discarded materials, the per capita solid waste output is the 0.25 to 2.5 kg per day. What is the source of waste? In the source of waste, we are divide agriculture source, fishery source, household sources and commercial industries. Agriculture, we are using the agriculture, the wasted waste, it may any crops, materials, unused materials. Fisheries, household waste, in the we are unwanted materials, houses, they are including in the wastage, and commercial and industries, that is pollutions, discarded materials from the industries. That is broad types of wastage. There are three types of wastage which are as household wastage, as municipal waste, industrial wastage as hazardous waste, biomedical wastage or hospital waste as infectious wastage. First of all, municipal solid waste. In the municipal solid waste consists of household waste, construction and demolition debris, sanitation residue, waste from streets. With rising urbanization and changing in lifestyles and food habits, the amount of municipal solid waste has been increasing rapidly and its composition changing. Hazard of the waste of the municipals. Industrial and hospital wastage is considered hazardous as they may contain toxic substance. Hazardous waste could be highly toxic to humans, animals and plants. They are corrosive, highly inflammable or explosive. In the industrial sectors, the major generators of hazardous waste are the metal, chemical paper, pesticide, dye, and rubber goods industries. These are the hazardous waste. And hazardous waste is direct exposure to chemicals and hazardous waste such as mercury and cyanides can be fatal and can be very severe, dangerous. And the hospital waste or biomedical waste. Biomedical waste means any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment or immunization of human beings or animals or in research activities pertaining thereto or in the production or testing of biomedical as the rules of 1998. The hospital waste including wastage like sharp wastage, pathological wastage, pharmaceutical wastage, genotoxic wastage, chemical wastage and radioactive waste etc. And next one is the how it affects the health. All the biomedical wastage, how it is affect our health. If the disposal of waste is directly thrown in the open field, it may be decompose and favor fly breeding. And if the dispose of the open, it may be attract rodents. And pathogens may be conveyed back to the man's food through flies and dust. And it may be affected, contaminated to the water and soil pollution. And if we are thoroughly on open field, it may be unsightly appearance and the bad odors and incidence of vector-borne disease. And how it is the management, waste management concept. If the waste management concept, it will be 3 R's: reduce, reuse or recycle to be followed for waste management. Reduce, it is the reduce we have to decompose a proper and proper disposal, and after if we have to segregate and we can it is again reuse and recycle. We have to recycle of the disposal of waste. Reduce the sense disposal goods like the paper plate, paper bottle, styrofoam cup, plastic spoon, roll of paper, towels, paper napkin, durable goods, ceramic plates, metal spoon, glass, plastic drinking cups, disc towel, clothes and napkin. That is disposal of the goods. And recovery of 1 ton paper can save 17 trees. Reuse, instead of buying new containers from the market, use the one that are in the house. Do not throw away the soft drink can or bottle. Cover them with homemade papers or paint on them and use them as a pencil stand or small vases. That is reuse. And the recycle. Use shopping bags made of cloth or jute which can be used over and over. That is called recycle. Next is the solid waste management. How we are management of the solid waste. So waste management is the first one is the storage, collection, transport and handling and recycling and disposal and monitoring of the waste materials. Then we can manage the solid waste. First of all, storage. If we are disposal of the unwanted things, it should be first of all we have to storage. Storage, galvanized steel dustbin, paper sack or public bin. We have to store in this bin. Then after the collection. After the storage, we have to collect it to the house collection from the public bins. Thank you.